Hi everyone, and welcome to Metzeler North American headquarters here in Rome, Georgia. I'm Cristy Lee, joined by product manager Jeff Johnston, and we're here to talk about a dual-purpose enduro tire for both on-road and light off-road usage, the Tourance NEXT. Now, looking at this tire right away, we know it has that Metzeler brand heritage, including the Interact technology and this Greek pie tread pattern.
The Tourance NEXT is an evolution of the previous Tourance series, and it offers more performance for the bikes that are currently out on the market. What we found is the OE manufacturers have introduced new technology, building stronger, faster, heavier motorcycles. We had to change the tire design to give the performance these riders expect. The new GS 1200, the new 1190 KTM are very powerful motorcycles, so we have to introduce a tire that meets the needs of those bikes.
Yeah, this is a great tire for those enduro bikes like the Suzuki V-Strom, the Ducati Multistrada, the Tiger 800 XC. This tire is a 90-10 tire, so 90% for road use and 10% for off-road light use.
And let's talk about a little bit of the technology here. We're using the Interact 3-zone technology, but it's tuned a little bit different than the Z8 because it is a dual sport tire for these big bikes, and it's quite a bit different than a sport touring radial tire. We've had to tune the tire to meet the needs of these motorcycles, and that includes changing the carcass materials. The front tire has been changed dramatically than the previous version, and we've added a fair amount of shape changes too. So the sidewall of the tire has changed and the carcass material has changed to get a better focus on off-road use, and also more importantly when you're cornering hard on the street. And then when we speak about the rear tire, we've changed the carcass materials dramatically in the rear tire to give the bump absorption needed for the faster motorcycles and still be able to provide the cornering needed when you really push the bike hard.
So this is a dual compound tire with the inclusion of silica, and that's for wet weather performance and for better mileage.
It's very similar to the Roadtech Z8, but it's different because it's more of an off-road application. So we use silica with a different blend. It's 50% silica on the center of the tire where it's dual compound, which gives great durability and wet grip and also mileage. On the side of the tires, we're using more of a 100% silica mix, and that's going to give the durability and the wet grip when you're leaning it, and also for cornering prowess.
And what about the mileage? This tire is going to be used mostly on the road, so that's a really important factor for any consumer.
And mileage is key to not only the compound but the tread pattern. So this tread pattern, the large tread blocks, promotes longer mileage but also gives good off-road grip when you have to go out on a dirt road. So we've increased the mileage approximately 20% over the previous Tourance EXP.
And it's also got these long, deep tread grooves which are good for water disbursement on the street.
And of course off-road use too.
As we said, this is a 90-10 tire, so 90% for on-road use and 10% for light off-road use. The Tourance NEXT. For more information on this tire or any other Metzeler brand product, check out metzeler.com. Thanks for watching.